Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you how you can use Mote to enhance the creative writing process in your classroom. So here I have a story called Float. Now, Float is a picture storybook that has no text. So what I did was I shared this story with my class and then I had them write the story collaboratively as a whole. So I assigned each student a particular slide that they needed to write the story. So that each student took it in turns to write the story. Students then went back and did the whole editing process to ensure that the story made sense and corrected any spelling mistakes. Then I had students simply click on the Mote button and record themselves reading their part of the story. This was a great way to involve the whole class in that creative writing process and then being able to share that with other classes in the school. This is a quick and easy way to enhance the creative writing process by having students write their stories and also record their voice and then share with others.